Two folding chairs, same design, but one of these is a game changer for party rental companies. So in front of me are two plastic folding chairs. These are an absolute staple for party rental companies all over the country. You're gonna see millions of them going out every single year for graduations, weddings, and just about any event you can think of that's outdoors. These are the chairs that I recommend every party rental company start their inventory with. There are a lot of reasons why I'm always recommending that party rental companies start their inventory with these chairs. First is that they're lightweight and they're easy to move around, both of them. One nice little feature of these chairs, especially for outdoors on grass, is that the back legs have this little connecting bar here, which prevents them from sinking into the grass when somebody's sitting back on the chair. So what's the difference between these two chairs? The one on my right here is our standard TitanPRO Plastic Folding Chair. It's got zinc-plated hardware and a powder-coated steel frame. The one on the left here in black, really the biggest difference is the stainless steel hardware, and the frame is 100% aluminum. And I think one of the coolest things about the aluminum plastic folding chair actually is that in black, it just looks like black and gray, but when you pair the white seat and backrest with the aluminum frame, in the sun especially, it really looks white. All right, so what's the benefit of the aluminum? Well, by nature, aluminum is a lot lighter than steel, so this chair is significantly lighter than the steel version. It doesn't really matter so much when you're picking these chairs up kind of one by one, but when you have them stacked 50 tall, it can really make a difference. And then the other thing about aluminum is that it's never going to rust. And now, to be fair to the steel chair, we do apply an anti-rust coating to this prior to powder coating, so it's going to inhibit rust as well. So which one of these chairs is right for you? The most budget-friendly option is the classic steel version, but if you want lighter weight, easier handling, and guaranteed no rust, the aluminum might be the way to go.